Let me show you how I made this oven baked honey butter jerk chicken. Fast, easy, and simple. Let's get right into it.
Where you coming from? You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
You're going to need your chicken. I'm serving for 6 people today. Yes, 6 people have come over, come enjoy this meal today. So 6 thighs it is. Now you want to make sure you wash it nice and clean with vinegar and lemon juice of my choice. And your chicken should be ready. Now, the things that you will need to make this recipe nice but fast, easy, and simple in your kitchen, you're going to need green seasoning. Now, the green seasoning right there is the one that I made at home. So the link for that will be down below. You're going to also need your jerk seasoning. The jerk seasoning mix right there is the one that I also made at home. I'm going to put a link down below for that as well. You're going to need honey, of course. Butter, of course, because you're making honey butter combination. You're also going to need salt and black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. You need some kind of paprika. That is the smoked paprika that I'm using, and some all-purpose Jamaican seasoning. That's what I have right there. All your amounts will be listed down below as usual. I'm also going to add some vinegar to it as well. Now I have my green seasoning there, and I'm going to add my jerk seasoning to it, and this is the one that I made at home as well. I'm also going to add some paprika and some all-purpose seasoning to it, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and black pepper, and I'm going to add some honey as well, and mix this together until it looks pretty much like that. Now for my chicken, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make little cuts on top of the chicken, so that way that spice that I just made is going to marinate right through that chicken. Now that your chicken is cut the way that you want it, you're going to go ahead and add some of that sauce on top of that chicken. You want to leave some for later. You're going to go ahead and work this in on both sides. Now I'm going to put my plastic wrap on. I'm going to let this sit for a good 2 hours. Even for a better result, you can do it from overnight and just let it sit in your refrigerator to marinate. It's been 2 hours, so let's cook. I have my pot on the fire right there. I'm just going to go ahead and add some oil to that. I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in, skin side down. Now when your chicken looks pretty much like that, you want to go ahead and remove them from the heat. Now with that same pot that you fried your chicken in, you're going to add your butter to that. And you're going to add the rest of your marinade to it. And mix this together and allow that to simmer for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Now I'm going to add my honey butter marinade on top of that. I'm going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees, and this should take between 30 to 35 minutes to get done. So I'll see you right back here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Like, share. Let me know where you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.